Hello students, this is class 5th. This is your math class. Today we are going to start exercise 1.2. Write the following numbers in place value chart given below. Place value chart is given in next page. So first question is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So crore. Here is crore. So we will write 7 here. 0 0 lakh and 0 0. 3 5 3 5 and 9 4 0 9 4 0. Similarly you can do all the parts of question number 1. Now question number 2. Write the place value of 2 in each of the following. Place value of 2. We have to find place value of 2. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Means 2 crore. 2 crore. Place value of 2 is 2 crore in A part. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now remaining part you can do with help of this. Now question number 3. Rewrite the numbers by using commas and write their number names. Ones, tens, hundred, 4 2 3, comma, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore means 8 crore, 8 crore, 93 lakh, 93 lakh, 25,000, 423, 23. Now do remaining parts. Question number 4. Write in the expanded form. So you have to write place value of each digit. 1, 0 0, 0 0, 000, plus 3 0, 0 0, 000, plus 9 0 0, 000, plus you can skip this 0 and next one is 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. This is expanded form of given number. Now question number 5. Write in the standard form. So standard form of this given expanded form is 3 ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh means here we will write 9. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So 90, 10,000 means here we will write 6. And 2. Zero, 1. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore, 90 lakh, 62,000 and 1. Now you have to do this exercise on your fair notebook also. In next video we will discuss next exercise. Thank you class. Hello students, this is class 5th. This is your math class. Today we are going to start exercise 1.3. Before starting this, I will tell you International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration. So first we start from right to left. Ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. This is important point. 100,000, then million, $10,000,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. 100 million. Now come to exercise 1.3. Write the numbers for the following number names. Mark the periods using commas. 27 million, 27 million. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. 27 million. So this is your required answer. Okay, now last part. 31 million, 31 million. 577, 577 simply. 577. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 31,577. This is your required answer. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in words. A part. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Means 50 million. 50 million. 50,000. 50,000. 50. 50,000. 50. Okay. Now last part is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 28 million. 28 million. 14,000. 14,000. 718. 718. Now question number 3. Rewrite by using commas according to each of the two place value system, Indian system and international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 5 crore, 5 crore 43 lakh 43 lakh 67,000 892 In international system, ones tens 100, comma thousand tens 100,000, million 10 million, 54 million, 54 million, 367,000, 367,000 367,892 892. So now you will do this exercise on your fair notebook. Thank you. Hello guys, this is class 5th maths class. Today come to exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Compare each pair of numbers by using the sign greater or less or greater. You have to put sign greater than or less than. In previous class you all know very well which number is greater, which number is smaller. Ones, tens, 100,000, tens, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This one is also crore. 2 crore, 2 crore. Not confirm which one is greater. Now here is 34, here is 43. So this one is greater than this. So like this you can do remaining part of this question. Question number 2. Round off the following numbers: 34 lakh 56,190 to the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000, it means that we will see thousands place. Ones, tens, 100, thousands place. Which number is on thousands place? 6. This is more than 5, so we will add 1 in this digit. So our answer will be 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, and remaining will be 0. Now similarly, last part of this question is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 23 crore 78 lakh 90,453 to the nearest crore. It means we will see 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place. Digit 7 is present. So this is more than 5. More than 5. So we will add 1. 23 plus 1, 24. 24, 24, comma 0, 0, comma 0, 0, comma 000. This is your required answer. So with help of these solutions you can do this exercise on your fair notebook. Thank you class. Hello students, this is class 5th maths class. Today we are going to start new chapter number 2, operations on large numbers. Here we will learn about large numbers and operation on large numbers such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So come to exercise 2.1. The first question is find the sum. Question number 1, first part. So we will write these number in horizontal way. 5, 7, 8, 9, 0, 4, 0, 3, 9, 0, 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 8. Seven plus 3, 10, carry 1. Here we will write 1. 9 plus 4, 13, 3, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 6, 15, 5, carry 1. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. This is your required answer. So do this exercise on your fair notebook. Solve only first question on your fair notebook and remaining 2 questions you can do on your rough copy. Now come to next exercise. Exercise 2.2. This is very simple exercise. First question of this exercise is subtract. Question number 1, A part. 67 lakh 16,876. 54 lakh 18,455. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 4, 4, 1. 6 minus 8 not possible, so we will take 1 from here. 16 minus 8, 8. Here is 0. So we will take 1 from here. 10 minus 1, 9. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. This is your required answer. So do question number 1 on your fair notebook and question number 2nd, 3rd you can do on your rough notebook. Thank you. Hello guys, today we are going to start exercise 2.3. First question is multiply. Question number 1, first part. 56,704 into 39. So first we will write this in horizontally. 56,704 multiplied by 39. 9 4s are 36. 9 7s are 63. Carry 6. 9 6s are 54. 54 plus 6, 60. Carry 6. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 6, 51. Write here 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. 3 6s are 18 plus 2 20. Carry 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. Now add 6. 3 plus 5 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 1 4, 1 1, 7 plus 5 12 and 2. This is your required answer. Now you can do all these part with the help of this solution. Question number 2, find the product. We can do this type of products orally. If we multiply any number by 1, then we get the original number. Means answer of this question will be 6,78,954. You can do it directly. If we multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. If we multiply this number by 10, then we increase 0 here. So answer will be 1340790. Similarly here we will increase 00. Question number 3, using suitable grouping, find the products. Question number 3, A part, 4 into 3 to 9 into 2 5. Using suitable grouping, first we will make group 3 to 9 into 4 into 25. 3 to 9 into 25, 4 is 100. Simply we get 32900. This is your required answer. So you can do question number 1 to 3 in your fair notebook and do practice question number 4 and 5 on your rough copy. Now come to exercise 2.4. Question number 1, A part, find the quotient and remainder, check your division. A part, 46,732 divided by 7. 46,732 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 4 7. Again 7 6 are 42. 5 3. 7 8 are 7 7 are 49. Sorry. 7 7 are 49. 13 minus 9 4 and 2. 7 6 are 42. Find the quotient. This one is quotient. Quotient 6676. Find the quotient and remainder. Remainder is 0. Check your division. Check your division. How to check a division? We are right or wrong. So we have a formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is 46,732, divisor is 7, quotient is 6676 plus remainder is 0. 7 6 are 42. carry 4, 7 7 जा 49 plus 4 53 carry 5, 7 6 जा 42, 42 plus 5 47 carry 4, 7 6 जा 42 plus 4 46. So our answer is correct. Okay, thank you class.